Have a good and safe day to you all. My warm welcome to this channel again. Today we will discuss of a very short topic of biostatistics on request. Okay. We have to discuss the measure of dispersion. How dispersion can be measured? Dispersion can be measured by three different methods. How? By calculating a range of data, then quartile deviation, then mean deviation, then standard deviation. In this video particularly we will discuss about the short topic, that is range. Then what do mean by range, what is its utility and how it can be calculated. Okay. The range is defined as difference between largest and smallest value. The range is defined as largest minus smallest value in an observation. Why range is essential in statistics? The first need of range, it can describe the data spread, indicate the spreading of data or first measure of dispersion. The second one is, it is the simplest measure of variability. Measure of variability to compute for any statistical method. These are the two utility of range. Then come to the calculation of range, how it can be calculated by us. Suppose there is a data, whatever may be, it is similar for class interval, for discrete series, for normal series. Okay. Suppose this is a data 8, 5, 3, 7, 9, 12. It is not properly arranged. How range can be calculated? We have to calculate here the largest value is 12, the smallest one is 3, smallest one is 3. The range is equal to largest minus smallest value, that is 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Then what is coefficient of range? Coefficient, it can be determined by largest value minus smallest value by largest value plus smallest value. How? 12 minus 3 by 12 plus 3. Okay. Whatever may be the value, we can calculate it. It is the that is 9 by 15. Okay. Then for discrete series, suppose this is a frequency distribution table. Remember, frequency distribution table and in class interval. Suppose this is x and f frequency 5, 6, 8, 11, 13. These are the observations. Suppose frequency is 3, here frequency is 4, frequency is 9, frequency is 2, frequency is 5. We do not have to consider the frequencies totally. There is no need to see the frequency, whether this is class interval or this is normal discrete series. What is the smallest value? 5. Largest one is 13. The range is equal to 13 minus 5, 8. Then the coefficient of range is equal to 13 minus 5 y 13 plus 5, whatever may be the value. Okay, so this is the range. Okay, so it is all about the topic today, a very small topic. We'll discuss quartile deviation in the next video. Thank you all.